So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So here I want to talk with all of you just for 2 or 3 minutes, so listen to me carefully. First point is those who are waiting for verification result. Please make sure you are filing your examination form before 20th May 2021, because if you are not filing your form and waiting for the verification result, and in verification result you have not cleared the examination, then it will be problematic for you. So you are required to file your examination form before 20th May 2021. So even if you are going to clear your examination in verification result, the fees whatever you have provided, it will be refunded to you. So you are not required to worry about the fees. Just make sure you have filing the examination form before 2021. So everyone is having the same doubt. So I have cleared the doubt. So you have to share this video so that everyone can be aware of the same. And second point is when verification result will be available. So last time what happened is, institute's officials are not available to come to office, and verification result is declared little bit late. So this may be happen in this year also. So you have to wait for verification result little bit more, because 15 to 20th May, that may be a expected date for verification result, but that may be a late, because the verification result may be a late because the institute officials are working from home. So there may be a problem to declare the result. So you have to wait for the same. That is ultimate option available with us. So you have to wait for the same. And third point is how much time we have to study. So it is completely depend upon you, because even if you are studying for 2 to 3 hours, that is more than enough for some people. So I hope everyone doing study for at least 3 to 4 hours. That is more than enough, because in current situation the situations are not favorable. So you are not required to do extra study, and you are not required to take extra pressure as well. So just you have to take care of yourself and your family as well. So that is, I hope everyone getting what I want to say. थोड़ा जितना भी हो सकता है उतना करो, ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आपका एग्जामिनेशन लेट बहुत हो चुका है तो आप इजीली क्लियर कर सकते हैं. देयर विल नॉट बी इश्यू इफ़ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन दम. दैट इज़ मोर देन इनफ. सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पफुल टू यू. सो शेयर दिस video and give one like to that video and subscribe the channel for more information and updates. So thank you, bye, and take care.